Squarespace's email campaigns is getting better and better and better. I actually really rate it and I use it on all of my personal and business sites. So one of the main things people need to know if they're going to actually get into Squarespace email campaigns is, well, how do I send an email from my marketing dashboard? And that's what this video is all about. So I'm going to take you into the email campaigns section on your site and show you how to create your email on Squarespace. The first thing that we need to do on the site is go into marketing. So once we're in marketing, we can then go down to email campaigns. And within here, we can send our first email. So if I click create, you can go with either blast, a welcome email, thank you email, or these are the popular ones. Basically, you can choose between subscriber activity, customer activity, and a simple blast. So for now, we'll just set up a thank you email. So we can pick from our templates here. You can build your own if you want to just start from a blank, and you can use your old email templates as a new template. So if I look at previously used, you can see these are the emails that I sent out to my email subscribers. If I click on this, I can see, okay, here's the email, and then click up here, use the template that is going to create, or it's going to duplicate that email basically. Now, what we'll do for the purposes of this video is just use a template. So we'll get started with, let's see, there's lots to choose from. I'm going to go with this one, drop. That looks quite cool. So use this template, and in here you can add your text. You can add, this is a header, so if you click in the header, let me move this, you can change the image that's used in there, logo, that's my old logo, whoops, text, and then you can customize it just like you would a section in the normal builder. Now if we go back into the email, you've got your sections that you can move up and down, but not only that, you can add and delete sections, no problem. So click plus, and you've got obviously a reduced amount of sections that you can choose from, but still a decent amount. You've got spaces, images, text, line, button, blog, product, and discount. So let's say this is going to be an automation. It's going to be like a welcome email or a thank you email. What we could do is say, thank you for your custom. Let's say this guy's the founder. I won't change that, but you could say, move me again. You can manage images, click to remove, and then add an image that you want. And then we can say a message from our founder. That's very, very thoughtful, isn't it? And then let's imagine, okay, this is a thank you email. So check out more products. How about that? And then underneath there, okay, these are again just images, so we can get rid of these. I want to delete this section, hit delete, lovely jubbly. Now let's click plus, and then we'll add some products in here. So we can add products. Obviously I haven't set up a store, but you can put products in. And then under that, if we click plus again, you can add a specific discount code for people. Now, if you look at this, it's black on like a blue background, so we need to change that. And so what we need to do is go into link color, and we can just simply change that in here. So site palette, we can choose from white, gray, blue, black, blue. So go back, and I've just realized that's not even a link, is it? So in that case, what we'll do is quickly just match the site style. So you can see we can set our different themes in here, nice and easy. We'll set the normal theme for me, which is this theme 7 color. And you can see that text is now white. Now we can set our discount in here. So let's just call this email discount as thank you. And then let's say thank you 25% off. And then let's say we want to limit to 1 per customer because we don't want people spamming the email discount. So we'll toggle that on, lovely jubbly. Once we're happy, click email, and then you can set the trigger. So in this one, it's going to be any store product or any digital product. So click. So keep that on, any store product. Send this email as a thank you. I'm going to send it immediately just as a thank you. Head back, and then we can set the subject line. So in this case, it's going to be thank you for your purchase. And underneath we can say, have a surprise on us. Send the details. Before you send any email via Squarespace, you need to add your email in here. So add, and then you're going to add in your name and your email, and then you have to verify that email. Squarespace will take you through the verification, but that's another important step before you actually send your first email. And then I keep moving myself into the way. Once you're done there, all you got to do is activate the automation, and then I'll show you how that looks. Activate. I've moved myself in the way yet again, and then Squarespace will just tell you that the automation is active. You will then be able to see this. Let's just wait for it to load up, and there we go. Be able to see how many's been sent, the delivery rate, how many opened, and then how many clicked, and then obviously you can go by, last 7 days, 30 days, all time, and then I think it's day, week, year, and then it's by day or week in here. So preview. Not the greatest looking email, but in terms of functionality, it is all there. Now, if you ever want to stop this email, you can simply just click the 3 dots and pause or delete. You can also rename it. If you want to use it as a template, just click duplicate, and you can use that template either for an automation or a blast or whatever it is that you want to send with Squarespace. So hopefully you found that useful. Hopefully that's going to allow you to send your first email on Squarespace and get that automation set. If you did find it useful, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, you can get in touch using the links in the description.